Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy. Thank you so much for finding me. Today is Tuesday and that means I've got a haul for you. Not many things, but if you'd like to see what I've brought, please stay tuned. So guys, as I said in the intro, again, there's not a lot, but I've got a little bit of makeup, a little bit of skincare and a little bit of perfume, which is unusual. So I'll start with the perfume. Now this was from Revolution. It's Katie Price. Now, not sure how I feel about having Katie Price perfume, but I looked at the reviews and it said it was quite sweet. It's 100ml. It's a big bottle. It was £6. What's it smell like? Let me see if I can explain. It's quite sweet. It's got that pink popcorn sort of smell, if you know what I mean. It's also got a slight hint of Eden in the green bottle from Cacharel, I think it is. It's okay. I wouldn't have paid £20 or £30 for it, even as a big bottle. Not because of it being Katie Price, but without smelling something, I won't usually buy it. I know Revolution have got a lot of the High Art Revolution chocolates scents, and I haven't had any of those, or the body spray scents. I haven't ever tried any of those because I can't test them first, so I don't know what they smell like. But it's not too bad. It also smells a little bit Dior poisony, which might put a lot of people off because it was very, very popular and everywhere smells of poison back in the late 80s, I think it was, maybe 90s. Right, so while I'm on Revolution, I may as well stay with Revolution and tell you what I've brought. Out of the sale, I brought this Ultra Contour Foundation brush. It's a triangle shape and it should fit in there very nicely. I've not tried it yet. It is actually bristles. I didn't know whether it was going to be foam or something, but it was nice. I think it was only down to £3 out of the sale anyway, so I thought I'd try that. Now, I think it was this one. I had an email and they missed me, bless them, and so they offered me 20% off my bill as long as it was over £30. So it wasn't that I hadn't had anything from Revolution. I just have been buying it from Superdrug because they got a better deal on at the moment. But it was nice of them to give me a 20% voucher code, so that was nice. So I thought, well, I will buy something. I was just waiting. I don't know what I was waiting for, but I brought the new Roxxsaurus blush collaboration out. Now I've bought quite a lot of blushes just lately and I need to stop because I don't need that many. This is what's in the palette. So they're all your peaches, which I was actually after, but I have got some now, but these are lighter than I've got, so I thought I'd give it a go. If I don't use them on my as a blush, I'll use them on my eyes. I had this as well. This is from the new Revolution Pro range. I've had the eyeshadows, I've had the powder, I've had the bronzer. Now I've got the Lustre highlight. This is stunning. Look at the packaging on that. It is really high end. This was, I think, £10 or something now, but look inside of that. How beautiful is that? I will show you. It's really, really soft as well. That's what it's like. It is beautiful. Now this is the lightest colour that they do and it is called, where are we? White Rose. So it is a lovely feeling highlighter. Actually, I know I've got a little bit on, but shall we have a little look? Oh yeah, you can see that straight away. Looks like I have got some on, but wow. Oh, that's bright. That is very bright. Wowee. So So like I say, that is the Revolution Pro, and it is in White Rose. It is pretty packaging. I shall put it back up there now with the rest of my my collection. That is really nice. Makeup Obsession Brow Pencil. Now obviously, you know, we can't get to Primark, and so I thought, well, I'll have a look. These are £4 at the moment. These are on 3 for 2 on the Revolution website. Oh, they're like a light blue colour, and they're really weighty. So you've got the fine tip, and then you've got the spoolie on the other end. I'll show you the colours. Those are the two colours. I don't know whether you can tell the difference. I can tell the difference like up close. I don't know whether the camera is catching it there. So they are very, very fine. Then I had, oops, a blue Kohl pencil. Which is that shade. Just another colour to go with my collection. 2 of the glitter eyeliners. Now these are from the Christmas edition, the Precious Stones. So I had rose quartz and gold. So those, oh, I don't know whether you can see them. They're quite glittery. Then I had from the Tasty range a lip oil. I had the avocado. I don't know why I didn't have the peach. I thought it was going to be like sort of pigmented, but it's not. It's, I'll speak as I find. It's very nice. I've been using it on a night time just to sort of soften my lips up. It is quite a nice oil. Then I had 3 of the brand new lip pencils. Now I thought these was going to be liners. I don't know why, but they're lip liners. They're lip pencils, but you can use them as liners as well. The colours I had are White Wedding, Chauffeur and Rosé. Now these go with the Lip Boutique colours as well. I will swatch them. What it is, it's a wind up lip crayon, and on the other end is your sharpener. Couldn't think what it was then. So I'll swatch these and I'll tell you what shades they are. Right, this first one is White Wedding. Then you've got Chauffeur. Then you've got Rosé. So they're like a sort of matte lip crayon, but they are quite moisturising on the lips as well. So those are, like I said, these have only just come out. I think it was a couple of weeks ago, because it did take ages for the delivery, which is understandable. I think it was about 2 weeks. That's why what I'm going to show you next I ordered from Superdrug. I ordered them on a Friday and I picked them up on the Monday or Tuesday, which I couldn't fault. Obviously they've got more people working at the distribution centre than Revolution have, which, like I say, it's just that time of year, isn't it? The Glow palettes, which if you watched my video on Sunday I used, and this is the look. If you haven't, I'll link it down below and you can have a little look if you want to see how I got the look. It is a cardboard palette. It's from Revolution Glow, so it's probably just another offshoot. I was a bit peeved because it got broke in the post, which I'm not very happy about. So this is the palette. Like I say, I'll put the swatches up for you now so you can see what they swatch like. Then I had the Molten Body Glow. Now if you like Fenty Body Glow, you'll love this. It smells delicious. It's in a pump. It's £15 or £12. It's not cheap, but you do get 100ml. It's in glass as well, so I'm going to show you. There's my arm. I'm just going to put a bit. You can get a brush to apply it, but I ain't going to do that. I've got plenty of brushes here, so I'm just going to grab, I don't know, just a random brush. So we've got it there. it does stretch as well. It smells beautiful, but look at that glow. Obviously that's not the best application. I'm using my left hand as well to apply it, so, but it is gorgeous. It's got this lovely shimmer, and like I say, it smells beautiful. Like I say, there's two different types of brushes you can get. You can get a face brush, which is like the Huda Beauty one, or you can get a body brush, which is a lot bigger. I think it's a buffer brush, but it does look really pretty, and that's got a nice glow on, but like I said, it smells beautiful. So that is all I've got from Revolution this week. I didn't think I'd got that much, but it has mounted up. Next I went to Boots. I had again another tub of the vitamin C moisturising cream. I'm using this pretty much daily now. I love it. It's not, I've sort of got used to it now. My skin's got used to it, so it's not the thinnest. It's not like a lotion, but it is quite thick. But as I've said before, my skin is combination and I like it. It seems to be brightening. I'm using everything actually. I'm using the eye cream, I'm using the moisturising cream, and I've had a couple of these. These are the cleansing gel. Every day I use this. I love it. It's very sort of citrusy, obviously vitamin C. It is very nice. I liking it. But these are £4. So is the all of the range is £4. This one is 100ml. This is 50ml, I think. Yeah, it's 50ml. The eye cream is 15, I think, ml. Yeah, the eye cream, the eye gel is 15ml, and the other one is 50ml, and that's a sleeping mask, which that's a little bit heavy for me. I think I've mentioned before, so I gave it to my daughter. I haven't repurchased that. Then the last thing I've brought, this is a recommendation from my bestie Sharon Ann from Sharon Ann Anti-Aging. She is a fabulous anti-aging channel. If you have any products or gadgets regarding anti-aging, Sharon is the lady to watch. I'll link her channel down below. She is fantastic. I'm not just saying that because she's my bestie, but she is fantastic. Really knows her stuff. So she recommended this from Boots back in at Christmas time. It is the Youthful Glycolic Peel Kit. So if you go on Sharon's channel, she actually shows you how to use this and gives you all the pros, all the cons. Obviously I've had it because I've been waiting for it to come on. It is £25, which might sound a little bit dear, but it is really good. It's a glycolic peel after all. You can get it at the moment on 3 for 2. So if you've got a spare £50 and you want some glycolic acid, this is the one to get. So you've got 8 times 4ml of step 1, which is a youthful peel. Then you've got 155ml of step 2, which is a post peel neutralizer. Then you've got 130ml of step 3, which is a calming recovery balm. Now this is supposed to be fantastic. It just says turn back the clock. I can't read because that is so small in writing, but it does actually show you what the ingredients are, how to use it. But I want to give it a go. Obviously it's going to sort of retexturize the surface of your skin, so I am interested in trying that. Like I say, Boots £25, but at the moment it's 3 for 2. If you have liked my video, please leave us a big thumbs up because it helps massively. If you do like my videos and you want to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. I will see you guys on Thursday with a lip boutique collection, so if you want to see that, please stay tuned for that. Love you loads, guys. Please take care of yourself. Bye.